iMac 27-inch iMac A1419 unable to power on. We repair this board, this tiny IC, 12 volt tiny IC, unable to uh, generate 12 volt. See this IC, and we replace this IC U84890. We replace this tiny IC. Now after replacing this IC, see, we connect our DC power supply. We on our DC power supply. We are not connected. Ground. Where is the ground? Ground. After connection the ground, see, taking 2 amp, 3 amp, and light also there, and we connect our this pen drive. If there is blue light, display is in iMac. See, 2.5 amp, and this is a PCH line. Also connect our memories, and